Anytime Foodie here. Anytime Foodie here. Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here, okay? We're fairly new at this, but we're just rocking and rolling, and I'm glad you're on this journey with me, okay? Help me, help you, help me. All right, so before we get started to what we're doing today, I need you to go ahead and like, subscribe, and press the little bell so you know when I'm on, when I post something, so you can see it, so you can learn, so we can grow. All right, enough about that. Were you checking out my apron? I bet you were. So let me get into where I got it from. It's a company called Rock Your Design, okay? They specialize in customizing everything you need. Wine glasses, shot glasses. Okay, enough about the drinks. Aprons, right? I got a few, and I'm gonna post the website in my description box. So go ahead and check them out. And if you go, tell them I sent you, okay? Perhaps we can work something out. Discount, maybe. Just kidding. All right, so let's get into what we're cooking today. Today, we are making a jerk spiced pasta, okay? It's one of my absolute favorite dishes to make, and I'm bringing you on the journey with me. The two proteins we're using is going to be chicken and shrimp, and we're going to walk through all the steps, okay? If you have questions, anything comes up, comment below. I'll respond. Nothing but time. Nothing but love for y'all, all right? So let's get into it. Here are the ingredients. Okay, time to get started. Starting with our 3 colored bell peppers, yellow, orange, and red. I'm going to go ahead and wash these veggies really good. Make sure you wash your veggies. It's very important. Then let's cut the tops off using the knife. And you know what I'm going to grab eventually, right? Go ahead and grab that mandolin and just get to slicing. I promise you it makes life a lot easier. Slice, slice, slice. Slice, slice, slice. We're going to do this for all 3. It's something so satisfying about slicing an onion. Just listen to that sound. This is definitely not how the pros do it, but when in Rome, and by Rome I mean my kitchen, just chop it the best way you know how. I like to mince my own garlic instead of buying it in a jar, so if you have a food processor, I highly recommend. Now it's time to bring the water to a boil, and I need to make sure that you heavily salt the water. Seems like a lot, but trust me, it's not. The mushrooms are going to go on the skillet first with some olive oil. Just let that, oh, look at that flyaway mushroom. Okay, let that simmer for a while. Break it up with your spatula, and then we'll add the peppers and the onions. We're going to let this saute, stirring it constantly until it's fragrant, like until you really start to smell all of that in your house. That's how you know it's perfect. I'm adding onion powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder, a little bit of salt, and pepper. After it's been sauteing for a while, go ahead and add some more of that minced garlic. We didn't add it first because we didn't want it to burn. Then we're going to go ahead and put the noodles in and just follow the instructions on the back of the box. Nothing fancy. I feel fancy when I use my kitchen scissors, so right now I'm just chopping some green onion. I just love this.
A few moments later.
Get into this sizzle. It's after it's been cooking for a while. Adding the shrimp, and then I'm going to add that special jerk spice blend. I'm using the same blend for the chicken as well. Okay, so it's time to start building our sauce, starting with the diced tomatoes, just 1 can after you put the olive oil in. Let that simmer for a second and then add that minced garlic back to the skillet. Stir, stir, stir. And then we're going to add a trio of seasonings, maybe a little more than a trio. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Alright, so after those ingredients are in, let's add the heavy whipping cream. I got mine from Aldi, but you can go wherever you go to get your groceries. After that, let's chop up a lemon and put the juice of 1 lemon into the sauce. After the juice is there, we're going to zest some, and we're going to put that right on top. And then that special jerk spice blend again. We're putting the remaining parts in there. Stir, stir it up good. At this point, your kitchen should smell amazing. And then finally, we're going to add our chicken stock. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Parsley is a great addition, so don't forget your parsley. Now those veggies that have been sitting over on the side, it's time to bring them on back. Put the veggies into your sauce mixture and stir it all around until every piece of vegetable that you saute is covered in this delicious sauce. Now it's time to assemble it all. Let's add that protein to those noodles. Then we're going to add the sauce to the noodles and the protein. We're going to give it a stir and see what beautiful dish we came up with. I must say the dish looks good, but it tasted even better. Please try it, and if you try it, let me know.